let's talk about the Rayban Meta AI feature. In fact, it's only available in certain countries. It's available in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Austria, Belgium, France, Italy, Spain, Germany, Finland, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, and Australia. So for those of you that don't live in any of those countries and want to buy a pair of the Rayban Metas, the AI feature will not work for you. So here's some of the things you can do with the Meta AI feature and some alternative options if you can't use AI. Okay, so starting simple, to activate Meta AI, all you have to do is say, "Hey Meta," while wearing the glasses. So first you can take a picture by saying, "Hey Meta, take a picture." And obviously the alternative to that would be to press this button once quickly. Next, you can take a video using Meta AI by just saying, "Hey Meta, take a video." And you can also say, "Hey Meta, start recording." Okay, that was weird. So I actually used the phrase "take a video," but it didn't work. And Meta AI said that it doesn't have that capability. But if you use the phrase "Hey Meta, start recording," for some reason that works. All right, "Hey Meta, stop recording." And the alternative for that would be to record a video, you would press and hold this button for a couple of seconds. And to stop recording, you would just press it once quickly. Now we're gonna get to some of the good stuff. Some more pretty straightforward ones with a lot of alternatives is if you're listening to music, you can say, "Hey Meta, pause." Okay, I'm taking off these glasses because every time I say these commands, it keeps going off. So for example, you can say, "Hey Meta, play next," or pause to control your music, or you can say volume up or volume down. You can't launch Spotify from the Meta AI, so you do have to open Spotify or YouTube Music or whatever it is that you're listening to on your phone first before you can use any of these commands. Let's try it out. Music, because I know this works on Spotify. Let's try YouTube Music. So if I'm gonna press this My Mix playlist. Oh my god, can you hear this? I'm shining through. Okay, anyway. "Hey Meta, next." "Hey Meta, volume down." "Hey Meta, volume down." "Hey Meta, pause." "Hey Meta, next." I like this playlist. This playlist is really good. Oh wow, what a good discovery. "Hey Meta, open Spotify." No. So for those that were asking, the Rayban Metas do work with YouTube Music, and it works with Spotify. So that's one of the controls that you can do. Of course, since you can't open these apps directly through the glasses anyway, you have to open them on your phone. In order to pause music, you would just tap the glasses once, or to play the music, you would tap the glasses once again. To put the volume up, you would actually just swipe forward on the right side of your glasses, and to turn the volume down, you would swipe backwards. All right, and to skip to the next song, you would just double tap the glasses on the right side. So far, no AI specific commands that have no other alternatives. So here's where we get to the good stuff. So to check the battery life, we would say, "Hey Meta, how much battery is left?"
Battery 94%.
Anyway, if you can hear that, the glasses said that there's 94% battery left. You can also share pictures from your glasses. For example, you can say, "Send a picture to so-and-so's name," and the glasses would take a picture in real time and send a photo to that person. Now, it won't directly send the photo to the person. It will actually take the photo and set up the picture message either through text message, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp, depending on what you set up that contact and their preferred contact method in your Rayban Meta app. But you do physically have to press send. Also, if you have this contact on multiple places, you can even say, "Send a picture to blank on Messenger, WhatsApp, or my phone." Again, because this doesn't automatically send the photo to that person, you could just take a photo with your glasses by, again, pressing this button once, and then later when you have access to your phone, send that photo to them. However, doing it through Meta AI is just a slightly bit faster. You can also ask Meta AI some pretty basic questions like, "What time is it?" or "What's the date?" On their website, they say you can ask questions like, "Who sang the song Hey Brother? Tell me more about the artist." So let's try some of these commands that they say, because sometimes Meta AI actually is not able to do some of these things. "Hey Meta, who sang the song Hey Brother? Tell me more about the artist."
Released the song in 2013 as part of his debut studio album, True.
Oh man, I really hope you can hear this. Okay, so that one worked. "Hey Meta, What's the population of Singapore?
The population of Singapore is approximately 5.6 million people.
Okay, so asking questions so far works, which is really cool. And also, you know what? If you were wearing these glasses during trivia, you could totally cheat, but you didn't hear that from me. Okay, so let's try. So there's a Be Inspired section. Let's try some of these questions. Hey Meta, what's a fun summer drink to make with mint that isn't too sweet?
A fun summer drink that incorporates fresh mint without being overly sweet is a mint spritzer, a refreshing beverage made by infusing sparkling water with fresh mint leaves and sweetening it slightly with a drizzle of honey or a splash of fruit juice like lime or lemon.
Okay, so it totally gave me an answer for that question, and the drink sounds delicious, but honestly it told me all these ingredients and what you're supposed to do, and my brain, I'm a visual learner, I really need to see the ingredients, so that's not that helpful for me. Okay, hey Meta, what are some good gift ideas for my kids ages 6 and 8? They're into arts and crafts.
For children aged 6 and 8 who enjoy arts and crafts, consider gifting art supplies like paints and paintbrushes, colorful markers and pens, a knitting kit, or a craft activity book filled with fun projects that spark their creativity and imagination.
This is kind of cool because, okay, so I totally answered and just said a bunch of stuff. Again, like, I think this is not helpful for me because I'm a visual person, so I really would like to see the things that are being said to me. But it's kind of interesting because you can ask questions and you can basically have a conversation with AI while you're just walking the streets. Oh, that's a little, and then I don't know, people might think you're a little crazy. Actually, I have a funny story. I was wearing these glasses while having a meeting in public because you can't really tell that these are, you know, that these are smart glasses or that they have audio coming out of them. Someone had complimented me saying that they liked my back tattoo, but I didn't know that they were talking to me. So they looked at me funny, or like they were looking at me waiting for me to respond. And I just looked at them funny because I was so confused and I was listening to my meeting. I had no idea what they were talking about. And so then I just kind of smiled, and then they smiled and then walked away. And later on, my friend who was sitting next to me, she was the one who told me that they complimented my tattoo and that I didn't hear them because I was in my meeting. So anyway, you might look funny if you're in public using these glasses. Okay, so the last section here is be creative. Let's be creative. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay. So this one says, hey Meta, write an old school rap about cats.
Yo, listen up, I got a story to tell about a feline that's cold rockin' hell. Whiskers sharp, eyes bright and keen, strutting down streets like the king of the scene.
Okay, so you can have it write a rap. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one sounds fun. Hey Meta, I can't attend a dinner tonight. Can you help me write a polite message?
Hello, I regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend tonight's dinner. Thank you for understanding my apology. Sincerely, your name?
Okay, I would never actually use that, but yeah, so there's some pretty cool stuff that you can do. But overall, like, you know, aside from asking some questions or using the AI feature to help you generate messages or ideas, at the moment there isn't too much yet that you can do with Meta AI that you can't do without it. However, if you watched Meta Connect, Meta did say that they're going to come out with a bimodal feature, which means that it's going to use both AI and say the camera together in order to like look at a building and tell you history and facts about it, because it can like look at the building and identify it and all these crazy things, and like also translating languages in real time while you're out in public. Like, it's supposed to be able to do all these crazy things coming next year. So as soon as all those features come out, I'm going to post a video on it, of course, and I'll let you know how to make the most of it. So make sure you subscribe and let me know if there's any cool features that you've discovered while using the Rayban Metas in the comments below, and let's see if we can all learn something from each other. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.